Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to summon the Snipping Tool overlay and begin capturing. Pick a mode, rectangular for precision, full screen for entire displays, because the mode controls what you capture. Make sure to set a delay if you need to prepare an animation or menu, and toggle cursor capture when showing pointer placement. Once done, the clip saves to clipboard. You can paste immediately or click the notification to open Snipping Tool for editing. Once the editor opens, annotate with the pen or highlighter to emphasize details. Choose thickness and color to match context, because visual contrast matters. Use the crop and ruler tools to refine composition, and press Ctrl plus S to save immediately. Make sure to pick PNG for lossless quality or JPG for smaller files, and use Save as to choose a folder and file name. If you need to share fast, copy to clipboard and paste into chat or an email message. Finish by configuring defaults. Open Snipping Tool settings to choose file format and save location so future snips land where you expect. Enable clipboard history via Windows key plus V to retrieve earlier captures because accidental overwrites happen. If captures fail, restart the Snipping Tool process or use the built-in Windows troubleshooter to fix permission or update issues. Make sure Windows is current. One quick tip: if keyboard shortcut stops working, reassign or toggle it off and on in settings to reset behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.